The silent heroes, the caregivers, we show up every day despite exhaustion. You're so tired. You don't have time for yourself. One of the caregivers told me one time, sabi niya, option daw ang ligo. Don't do that to yourself. You have to always rest. An old friend who told me the best thing to do, especially when you're so stressed out, is tumanga. I love that. Nakaupo ka sa silya, nakatingin ka sa wala, nagkukuya-kuy ka lang. Masarap minsan yung tumanga, yung huminga, tumanga, parang wala kang isipin. Actually, that helps. That helps. Well, that worked with me. When you feel that, you are actually concentrating any energy that goes back to you. Just look at the blank wall and try to think na wala.